Hello everyone. I am going to show you how to use this new template. So it's very simple. When you open up the template, you'll see that it says here clipping masks, and the clipping masks are all closed on purpose. If you click on one, you will see it right there. And I'm going to shut that down for a moment. You'll also see a 24 box grid. You can click on and off. You'll see the numbers are all detached in case you want to change them around, you can. And you will also see that there is a ornament that you can shut on and off, and you have a silver background. So when you take a look at the clipping masks, you will see though that if I click on clipping mask number 1, it does cover the number 1. Right now they are created so that they follow the order of the numbers that are there. However, if you do want to switch around your numbers, feel free. Just remember your clipping masks probably will not match up anymore, which really isn't a problem. So I'll show you how to use this really quickly. It's just a simple clipping mask. So let's say you want to just cover number 1 on the template. So you open up number 1. It will cover the one that is there. Click on the one, go to File, Place Embedded, and pick out a picture. It can be, these are squares, so you can use an inside the box photo or just a general photo. I'm just going to use this picture because it happens to be right there. And but all box photos will work in this as well. And right click on the layer, create clipping mask, and clip it in. And you'll see that there is also effects on your clipping masks, which is really just a stroke around it. So it's just that white line that goes around the box. And that's as simple as that. And you can choose to turn on as many or as little clipping masks as you want and create your own creation. Thanks for watching.